Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now in today's video we're going to be doing something that is very popular here, curry chicken. We know Jamaicans, they used to be, we're out of many one people, so Indians, blacks, whites, Chinese, all of us are here. So I'm going to be doing a curry chicken today. We're going to be doing that with some boiled green bananas and some boiled dumpling. I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. Several times on my videos I've always said, oh, there's this big debate about should we really be doing curry burn, like burning the curry or not. The other day I decided to do a curry dish. I did not burn the curry, and let me tell you man, the curry came out really good. The flavors were good, the color was pretty good, and yo, I enjoyed it. Now here's the thing, every curry looks different because it depends on what curry you're using. If you're using like a real Indian curry or an Asian curry or whatever, it all depends. Someone did mention to me or educated me, and they said some curries you have to burn it so they can release like the aromatic things or the flavors or whatever. So the curry I'm using today is a very basic one, but you know, we're gonna enhance it a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching, and yo, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so here we have some chicken. Typically when people, well for me, my family, we used to do curry chicken. We used to, you know, do this mixed part. So in here there is what you call the thigh, the wing, a leg, and the breast and the rib. So that's everything there. We normally cut it up really small, you know, so that it could stretch, because most times, you know, large families, not so much money going around, so we cut it up so it could stretch. So anyway, how I'm gonna season, in this video I'm gonna be doing a little bit different, some of the stuff that I will do. So seasoning it with what's in here, a scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme, some cloves, whole cloves, and some pimento. And then it's gonna add a couple stuff. I find with Indians, their foods, when I go to Indian restaurants, the foods are very rich with spices. It's such a strong smell. Like some people will even make fun and say, you know, people who eat a lot of Indian food, like you can generally smell it, like even through their skin. That's how much spices that are, you know, in the food consistently. So adding some paprika just now, some garlic, and this is just my version of my curry. So a little bit of onion powder, little bit of mustard powder. Now these two parts I think make the big difference. For example, turmeric. When you buy curry, if you look in the curry powder, it will tell you that there's turmeric in there, and also there's cumin, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of those just to ensure that flavor is definitely in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of white pepper. Now, Indian food sometimes is a bit spicy for me. That's just my take on it. It's a bit spicy, so I'm gonna also add. Oh, that would have been too much. I'm gonna add a bit of red pepper. Yeah. So it's gonna be a nice little spice to it. Of course, you guys know I like Himalayan salt, so I got some pink Himalayan salt here. So I'm not using any meat seasoning like that, like any processed meat seasoning. So pink Himalayan salt. And then here's a strange part. I know some persons don't add curry to their. Do you add curry to your mix?
Only half a teaspoon.
When you're seasoning it up?
Yeah, just
okay, cool. Some persons I know burn curry. Today I'm not going to burn curry. I actually practiced making some curry the other day, and I did it without burning it, and let me tell you man, it was really good. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce just so I can get a little bit of movement, and just, yeah, I'm gonna mix everything in. Mix. And smell all those seasoning, all those herbs and spices. Remember, we're gonna be cooking it down, so we can always add stuff to it afterwards, no problem. You know, if you want to add some fresh cut ginger, you can add that. Some fresh cut onions, you can add that. But I find like the powdered versions of some of these things, like it just gets into the meat so much easier than when it's, you know, diced up. You'd have to really marinate it overnight and leave it there. Because this is only marinating for like 30 minutes, an hour, so yeah. The powders are going to coat the meat really good in my experience and give it a good flavor. Someone did mention to me while roasting the garlic, I can soak it for a minute or so in water. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it in the river for a little bit and then I'm gonna put these to roast, alright? Yeah, choke it up. So I'm gonna drop in a little bit of coconut oil and get that a bit hot. I want it really hot because when the chicken drops in, it's gonna drop the temperature of the oil really easily. So so as you guys can see, we have the hazing point. This is where like there's a smoke coming up. So now we can drop our chicken in really fast. I'm not going to burn the curry. That means I'm taking away some of the chips. Alright, so I don't want these to burn or have too much browning on them. I don't want to see the rest part of the chicken. I don't want to put a bit more first. But for the most part, I want that simmer. Cook down my curry. Add a bit more water. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the roast garlics now. Matter of fact, I'll add all of it. So that flavor can cook down into the pot. The carrot is like halfway cooked already because of the roasting. It's a nice sweet flavor. I'll add those in the last parts. So here we go. Keep it on a small and soft simmer. Garlic is in. Can smell the curry, cuz?
Smells real good.
Oh my gosh, smells really good. I wish you guys could actually smell it, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer for YouTube to put out smell-o-vision. Cover it down, and trust me, this pan covers it like a very tight seal. It's so heavy. That's gonna give it a nice simmer. So you can see, I like to have my curry, you know, pretty nice and thick, the sauce. So it's already getting there, but just add a little bit of flavor to it. Bit of thick coconut milk, coconut cream, whatever you call it, but I don't want the thin one. So nice. That's gonna help to thicken up the sauce. You could add potatoes. I actually forgot to put potatoes in this, but that would have helped to thicken up the sauce. Some persons use the potatoes to help stretch it as well. So if you're feeding a big family, you know, you have some potatoes or with the gravy, it's gonna, you know, stretch that dish a bit further. But this is a lot of meat for the both of us, so that's fine. And now we're gonna finish off the carrots. Now we have the carrots in there, we're gonna stir it a bit. We're going to allow it to thicken up, so we get a nice thick and creamy sauce. Then it will be done. Alright, so this is done. Look at that sauce. Nice, rich and creamy. You have different kinds of curries. You have curries that I see they have yogurt, curries with milk. But this is gonna be my curry. Alright? And just to finish it off, of course, add a little bit more herbs. And that's that. Alright, cause it's a year share. And as I say, I made curry last night, so you have to tell them, you know. Thank you. Cause you have to go talk about your curry, if mine better than yours, or and be honest too.
I'm not gonna be honest.
Yeah man, be honest man.
Yes. Funny enough,
Yeah.
last night I was boasting that my curry was the best curry I've ever eaten in my life. But I think I made a mistake by saying that.
You know, really that tastes that good?
No, this one better, man. You know why?
Why?
Because it's a different type of curry.
Yeah.
And it's a different way of producing the curry.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, the garlic,
Yeah.
oh my word, you can taste the garlic.
It's not bad.
Bad man, bad. Better than mine for sure.
Mad.
Thanks.
Alright guys, not to toot my own horn, but it's really good. What I like about it is, you know, I've had curries from people where you can see the oil in it, you can see the water separation from the oil, like there's I don't consider that to be curry gravy, to be honest. That's just my opinion. This one is really good. Boiling the banana and the skin, it really makes your job easier. You don't have to really peel the banana too much. Comes right off. I think my cousin Michelle tell me about that style, yeah. So I'm trying it again for the third time maybe. It does add more bulk to the pot. So I'll take up a lot more space to skin, but it's not bad. The carrots are really nice and sweet. That roasting process was a lot. Really nice.